So James Baldwin put it this way. He said to be black in America and to be somewhat conscious is to be in a constant state of rage. And those words have not been truer ever for me because I am so tired of seeing black men executed at the hands of police. You know, I think for me, Dante Wright, this execution of Dante Wright, really was triggering because as a father of a 23-year-old young man, that's my constant fear. Not that my son might be hurt and harmed by a random person on the street, but that my son might be hurt or even killed at the hands of the police. And I should not feel that way. I should not have that fear for those who are actually hired to protect and serve all of us. All of us. That shouldn't be my son's fear that if he has an interaction with the police, that he has to be afraid for his very life. But he does. I've taught him that. I've told him how to react if he has an encounter with the police. And that shouldn't even be a conversation that we have. Other communities don't have to have that conversation. Why should we? And so change has to happen. There's cultures and some of these police organizations that allow for these executions to happen. And then what happens? The person resigns or they get fired? No, that's not enough. Change has to happen, and we have to demand that change happens now and hold folks accountable, not just when we see these types of executions happen, but we have to make sure that laws are changed and that systems are changed. And change doesn't come easy. Nobody likes to change. But we have to hold folks accountable because we can't continue to go on like this. We can't continue to live in this constant state of rage because it is exhausting. And rage that is not managed or addressed, it not only affects those outside of us, but more importantly, it affects us and our well-being. So we got to do better.